Hi, how you doing? It's Steve Lennon again, and today I'd like to talk to you about the appraisal process, how things have changed in the mortgage industry in relationship to ordering appraisals, and what the procedures are. So let me start by saying that as of January 2009, things have changed in that we have what's called appraisal associations, or portals, or appraisal farms, however you want to label it. And what that basically means is we have to order our appraisals through what's called an appraisal farm or an association, independent of us loan officers, loan professionals, and anybody else, even the bank. What happens is you have to give your credit card or your debit card, the account number, to us, where we fill out a form. We deliver that form over to the bank. The bank basically submits it to an independent appraisal manager, and that appraisal manager gets an independent appraiser to do the appraisal on your behalf for that property that you're going to purchase. Come back with an appraisal, and when that happens, basically you're charged for that appraisal on your credit card. There's no way of getting around it. It is the way it is nowadays, and they basically started this process because there were so many people in the past, 15, 20 years who were being overcharged for appraisals. The appraisals were being done where they were being pushed in value, where the value was too much or undervalued or misinterpreted, whatever you want to call it. The appraisals were not done correctly. So what happened was the federal government stepped in through Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, and FHA and basically said, you know what, we're going to go ahead and create an independent party, an independent body. They would have people order appraisals independently of both the bank and the loan officer or the loan professional, and therefore we would have a higher probability or chance that we're going to get a legitimate appraiser. When the appraisal actually does come back, the bank still does an in-house review of that appraisal with their own appraisers to determine and make sure that the value really is the value of the property. So there's double protections. Also, because you're giving your credit card information, you're going to be charged for that appraisal, and the appraisal will show up, the cost of that appraisal will show up on your credit report. So that's the way it works nowadays. We can't get around it. It is what it is, and it's actually a good thing because it is independent, and you're going to make sure that you actually get and pay for the actual value of your property, of what it really is worth. So that's a good thing. Hopefully this has been very informative for you. If you'd like to find out more on how we can go ahead and basically rebate back to you the cost of an appraisal, all you have to do is just give me a call at 909 area code 895-4074. Once again, 909 area code 895-4074. My name is Steve Lennon, and I am with Flanny.com. And I am basically the mouthpiece, the person who likes to educate people on how all these things work and make it so that you're informed and you can make some quality and good decisions. So once again, I get back to the same old question or statement that you need to get yourself fully loan approved up front in this market. You need to be ready to pay for your appraisal and get it done in a timely manner. The average appraisal time is typically about, it can be up to 20 days to get an appraisal done. And it used to be 3 days, but with this new process, it takes a little bit longer. So you have to keep within some of those timelines to be able to get yourself in a position where you close in a timely manner. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, and I will look forward to answering questions you may have. Go ahead and enjoy your day, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Take care.